Hello, Scratchers. Here's how you can make your Scratch games pop. All you need to do is follow these simple steps. First thing we'll do is scale up your sprite to 250. Then go to the extensions and click the pen box. Now, go to the events and grab a when green flag clicked box. Then after that, get to clear all pen, erase all block. So now, for the puppy effects, make a block and call it shadow effects. So I'll just put it here, shadow effects. And to make sure that you do not click run without screen refresh. So then just click OK. And then under the define shadow effect block, you go to looks, set color effect to 0 block, go under there, and then change it to brightness. And then have to go and change from 0 to -100. Okay, you just duplicate it and then change the brightness to boost effect, and then you can put any number between 80 and 90. I like to put 85. And then after that, get a change Y by block from here, and then put change Y by this 20. And then after that, you get this, go to the pen category and get stump block here. This will create a copy of your sprite, but it will not be a clone. After that, you get another change Y by block. And this time, yes, you do put 20. For the final step, you get a clear all graphic effects block. And under the erase all block, there, you go to my box and get shadow effects. So now you've got this amazing effect here, shadow effects, the background. So here I'll just quickly make a nice purple background. Okay, so now that's how you can make your Scratch games pulp. As you may know, I don't teach for free. This video will cost a subscribe and a like. If you want to know what makes code good, then click here.